Let's take a look at the top headlines first. Mizoram Chief Minister Zoramthanga bats for unification of Zo inhabited areas. Three Kuki MLAs meet Mizoram CM Zoramthanga. Suspected Kuki militants disconnect water pipelines at Kangchup and Kurkul. RBI withdraws Rs 2,000 notes from circulation, asks all to exchange or deposit them by September 30th. Do not invite 2nd June 18 in Manipur women protesters. And curfew relaxed in Imphal from 5 a.m. to 4 p.m. Hello and welcome to ELITETV English News. I'm Utpala. Before giving you the news, we request you to follow the SOP given by the government. Wear face masks when out in public, wash hands regularly and maintain a minimum distance of 6 feet between one person and another. ELITETV also requests you to get vaccinated in time to protect ourselves from this virus and play your part in the fight against COVID-19. Now the news in detail. Chief Minister of Mizoram Zoramthanga is batting for unification of all Zo inhabited areas in the region. Addressing a press conference held at the party office at Aizawl yesterday, Chief Minister said that the unification of all Zo contagious has been one of the main objectives of the founding leaders of MNF. Significantly, Zoramthanga added that while the unification of Zo tribes means tribe areas in Myanmar and Bangladesh would be difficult at this time, the MNL has always pursued for unification of the ethnic Mizos living in Manipur, Assam and Tripura. In fact, the Chief Minister recalled the issue of unification of all Zo inhabited areas are also featured in the peace talks held with the India government and erstwhile underground MNF. He, however, said that his government cannot directly interfere into the internal affairs of Manipur on the issue of Greater Mizoram or the unification of Zo contagious areas, that the initiative has to come from the Zo tribes of Manipur, since the unification of Kuki-Chin Mizo tribes should not be imposed. Chief Minister Zoramthanga's statement comes at a time when 10 Kuki-Chin MLAs in Manipur and CSOs in the Kuki-dominated districts are seeking for a separate administration. The statement also comes at the time when Manipur is struggling to restore normalcy in the wake of massive unrest in Manipur. Meanwhile, Zoramthanga added that while the Mizoram government cannot directly interfere into the internal affairs of the neighboring Manipur, it's trying its best to bring peace and tranquility in the state, besides looking after internally displaced people from Manipur, many of whom are still taking shelter in Mizoram.
Unification of Mizo inhabited areas of other states to form one administrative unit was raised by the MNF delegation. It was pointed out to them on behalf of the Government of India that Article 3 of the Constitution of India prescribes the procedure in this regard, but that the government cannot make any commitment in this respect.
Meanwhile, a 3-member MLA team led by Commerce and Industries Minister Nimcha Kipgen met Mizoram Chief Minister Zoramthanga on Friday. According to a post made by Minister Nemcha Kipken on the Twitter account, the team consisting herself MLAs LM Khaute of Churachandpur and Kim Nyo Hangshing of Saikol expressed gratitude to the Mizoram CM Zoramthanga for his selfless love and concern for many displaced people of Manipur. She also thanked the CM for extending relief materials for the people. The state government as well as the central government needs to take strict action to control the situation in the state as well as bring back normalcy in the state at the earliest, else there is no guarantee that an incident of 100 times that of June 18 will not break out. This statement was made by Hodam Memi at the sit-in protest at Uripok Ahantem Community Hall, organized by Uripok Ahantem Lekai Maira Paibi in association with Ningthau Khongjam Lekai Maira Paibi. She further stated that the current situation is such that there is no guarantee that the houses of the CM as well as other MLAs are completely safe. She stated that the 10 Kuki MLAs demanding a separate administration must resign at the earliest.
Kara akwai expert oi bahagadra kara haising bahagadra tara amana Mizoram da chatlaga Mizoram dagi moi shelter lo na ba leirise moi amuhna Manipur da la aroi dabra moi na ada seran turan tauraga khangoi taroi aikoina sida tauri bache aikoi leibak se mache thugaina ba khoi ngamgani Churachandpur aikoina laugani haina chatlibado Pasengkidi mamang dabok mangoy dabni Churachandpur karai dagi kaurami maitagi ningthau Maharaj Churachandpur singana se tholamba magi maming lauramba tholamba lamma se Manipur gi asengba lamni mingon dagi lawba lam nate masi moina chatke harabadi yai chatko moigi aduga lamdi buraga chatpa yaroi at any rate madu sungya yaroi akoi meyam lei mo khoi khak chat khraga leihoriba kuki kharana chat khraga aikoi da leihoriba Manipur da tribe kunthra humdoi kunthra mari leihoriba singsi asisi de moigi matung ilaga chat kani ka haibadi moi mamang da mang da pana chungani asing ba cha da na chat liba meyam do kari sukana roi halak pada ikai na ba moi do mamai khummaga Pirukumaga halake haibra natraga moi adum mapanda exile tawdana laige haibra madugi pire mamalobana pai Manipur government asisu aikoi da lairiba member khara leihoriba sina kari tawri laikai dagi khomaga natraga masagi lanaina wariba yum maisa e hariba praza singtu daida sieng yelini pi yelini baltin yelini moibo akoina assembly tana thagal idubu baltin ye nabra pi ye nabra awaba anaba du yenga daudi laikai club aikoi praja myam lai aikoi myam na satana yengi moigi duty masak khangdabado duty masak khangdaba singda chu khoina para matam bibadi chummi hojik si kari ino habada moina tawgadaba mathau tawde Imphal area sita moi hairu daga khoina hairu daga na army gi platoon sukpore e battalion sukpore e haini Adugi mayam se irang sulai taba Imphal area sida kochat lali se thau tang ba matam cheng chak na maman asuk yam na yoraba matam sida moi dikai dai charige.
A sit-in protest was organized at Purairom Bolekai, New Chekon, to condemn the violent communal clash which has the involvement of Sioux militants. The sit-in protest was organized by Purairom Bolekai Maira Paibi in association with Purairom Youth Club. They held placards as well as shouted several slogans to condemn the current situation. Purairom Bolekai Maira Paibi Secretary Irungbam Aruna and Maibam Memcha, who participated in the sit-in protest, stated that although the situation is almost back to normal within Imphal city, the interior parts and foothills of Manipur where Meitei communities reside are still burning. They've asked the state government to take stock of the situation at the earliest, or else the imams will take up action in order to bring the situation under control.
Central government karino ba tawgidi base nukti crisis situation mapan ha Imphal manung da peaceful e phare ko sha da peaceful e adu pa haji ko chathaba mafam myam da tawrisi bu karino haba chung continue tawge habra loisalage habra nataga khoi myam hauraga lan taro habra central government na kai hairi haji state ki na kai hairi plus MLA myam kai dawrige haji bo so am sanga ba numi bo tumin lerisi bo kai daw haba na nupi myam cha chongthoga lan thopa hauro habra ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯐꯝꯕꯁꯦ ꯂꯧꯕꯤꯔꯔꯣꯏ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯗꯤꯃꯥꯟꯁꯦ ꯇꯥꯔꯔꯣꯏ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯒꯗꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯂꯥꯟ ꯊꯣꯛꯆꯔꯒꯦ ꯃꯣꯏꯁꯨ ꯑꯌꯥꯕ ꯄꯤꯔꯣ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯁꯨ ꯊꯣꯛꯑꯒꯦ ꯁꯤꯡꯁꯤꯡꯅ ꯃꯤꯇꯩ ꯃꯆꯥ ꯀꯌꯥ ꯃꯁꯤꯡ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯍꯥꯠꯄ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯏꯪꯅ ꯇꯞꯅ ꯂꯩꯖꯔꯝꯕ ꯃꯐꯝꯕꯨ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯃꯤꯀꯞ ꯃꯤꯔꯥꯎꯈꯣꯜ ꯑꯋꯥꯕꯗꯅ ꯊꯟꯕꯁꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯄꯦꯟꯗꯕꯒꯤꯗꯃꯛꯇ ꯉꯁꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯂꯩꯔꯝꯕ ꯂꯩꯀꯥꯏꯒꯤ ꯀ꯭ꯂꯕ ꯑꯃꯗꯤ ꯅꯨꯄꯤ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯈꯣꯜꯂꯥꯎꯒ ꯂꯣꯏꯅꯅ ꯃꯁꯤ ꯁꯥꯟꯇꯤ ꯄꯨꯔꯛꯅꯕꯒꯤꯗꯃꯛꯇ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯍꯩꯖꯕꯁꯨ ꯅꯠꯆꯗꯦ ꯋꯥꯐꯝ ꯈꯔꯗꯪ ꯊꯝꯖꯕꯅꯤ.
Tabul Apunba Tingbang Loop, Bishnupur Apunba Tingbang Loop, and Subha Hospital and Assisted Reproductive Center, Ramphel Kumpire Kaithil, together organized a health camp for the inmates of relief camps of Bishnupur Apunba Tingbang Loop at Tokchom Ibotombi Institute of Teacher Education and Training, TIITETED. Today, in relation to the health camp, Dr. Endeavor stated that they have been successful in organizing health camps for several relief camps, and this was the first health camp they organized in Bishnupur district. He further stated that the consequences of the violent clash between the two communities of Manipur have created loss of life and properties, and hence we should strive to live peacefully with each other. The health camp was led by gynae specialist Dr. Wahingbam Endeavor and 8 other doctors, including pediatrician Dr. Sunanda Wahingbam, dermatologist, dentist, surgery, ortho and medicine doctors who gave free health checkup and treatment to the inmates of the relief camp. Free ECG and ultrasound and other tests were also conducted in the health camp.
Dental doctor pediatrician, dental doctor, medicine doctor, heart ECG machine ke ultrasound machine puraga lomna mi team up se ikunthana saraga ki awana tarba si ki crisis hoy matam sida institutions da koi kem dai form se laksara koi mateng pangjana bai da laksabani aduga dental na ida media ge thang thajani se condition ji fatrabani Ang masih ni, pergi ukana masih thaduk piraga, santi rom da sangsan piraga, koi amaga sana na isin lawan ma, hana ki pibun dong handa na ba, jalan na ba, kan hana minasi, juga, kaya gino di pasal memang sudah yang wana re, karena koi sisu, kita muda orang yang penting kan panggilan apa isu ana, kaya usaha kita maktor apa sana kita orang kita terpeni.
Water pipelines of Kangchup and Kurkul area disconnected by Kuki militants. Normalcy is returned to the state following the unrest. 11 clubs of Kurkul and neighboring villages have alleged that the main water pipelines have been disconnected by Kuki militants. A joint meeting was held on Friday at Kanto Sabha Primary School by a team of relief campers and village development committee with regards to unrest prevailing situation in and around Kurkul, Sekmai Assembly constituency. During the meeting, 11 clubs from Kanto to Sabal, Kurkul, Kanto to Kulen, ex-Sermon Colony, Chirang, Senjam Chirang, Moibung Kunau, Laimakong, Chingmang, Ingaurok, Chingmang also participated. Speaking to the media, Village Development Committee member Usham Santi Kuman said that since the untoward incident that started in Manipur from May 3rd, village neighboring Kuki villages such as Kurkul and others have been facing uncertainties, and they destroyed Ingaurok, Mahadev and burned down Meitei villages. He further said that the water pipeline supplying water to Kurkul Kanto, the pipeline of Kangchup, which supplies water to Imphal and other villages, were disconnected by such Kuki militants. He also said that if the state or the concerned authorities do not fulfill their demands, they will start counter-blockade and block the supply of essential commodities to Kuki villages. Curfew has been relaxed in Imphal from 5 a.m. to 4 p.m. after normalcy has returned in Imphal. District magistrates of Imphal East and West passed the order to relax the curfew from 5 a.m. to 4 p.m. today. People rushed to the market and nearby shops to buy essential items during the curfew relaxation. DGP P. Dongel has flatly rejected the allegation that all Kuki police officers from DG, additional DG, DJ down to the constables were stripped of all powers, disarmed and rendered inactive much prior to May 3rd. Quoting a letter submitted by 10 tribal MLAs to the Union Home Minister, a section of the press reported that as it was premeditated, all Kuki police officers from the DG, additional DG, DJ down to the constables were stripped of all powers, disarmed and rendered inactive much prior to May 3rd of May, while Meitei police were let loose upon Kuki residents of the city as well as that of the foothill villages on 3rd of May and thereafter. As a result of the backlash in the hill areas, all Meitei police staff have abandoned their posts in all the hill stations. Refuting all the allegation, DGP P. Donggel has clarified that no such action was taken by the government or from any quarter. All the Kuki Meitei policemen, right from the DGP to the lowest rank, whether in khaki or in green, are all performing their duties to the best wherever they are assigned. Stay tuned, we'll be back after a short break.
Babina Diagnostics Manipur da ihan hanba oina ingsok lising amaga chamapal marifuhumdoi da linkhatki. Masina awang nongpok Bharat da yamna pak chawna miyoi bagi ana layeng da darkar lakpa makhal kayagi changyeng sing pangthoi. Mayamdugi marakta amatang pallabada radiological investigation su mai pak na pangthokli. Wana hona jaba miyoi bagi sebani khana angamba thakta laibak thiraba ana ayek nanglaba kayagi mating pangjaba si sakhang biduna awang nongpokta ihan hanba oina NABL gi accreditation pibirakhi. Miyam gi pothafam ngainafam testofam report lawfam gi awaba du kokhanduna changfam hangfam pothafam gari parking cafeteria yauna marang kaina leizaraba unit ama oina miyam gi seba taujari. Unit asida thamjariba matamgi darkar oirakpa equipment singdi 1.5 Tesla MRI, 128 slice CT scanner, mammography, DEXA scanner, digital X-ray, loinana hematology, clinical chemistry, amadi clinical pathology, immunology, microbiology, molecular biology, amasung immunohistochemistry studies ki masing yamlaba automated analyzers.
Welcome you all to UNACO School Channel Imphal East, an exclusive co-educational residential school located on a sprawling 50 acres campus just 24 km away from Imphal city. The school will be affiliated to CBSE New Delhi. Academic session will begin on 1st April 2023 for classes 4 to 8. Registration commence open for 2023 and 24 session.
The legendary brand Vespa was born in 1946. The Vespa has a unique design with a V-shaped grille to complement its sleek cast. The Piaggio emblem at the front gives you the pride of ownership, innovative appearance. The design was inspired by the wasp, hence the name Vespa.
Adom gari macha darkar oibibra? Supnagi minute kuntragi manungda document ichang changdana Vespa madi Aprilia gi apamba model sing supna dagi lupa lising tara khaktang puthok piduna loan oina lawba yabagi khudong chaba pizare. Akupa marol kidamak contact tobirau 9089895330 amadi 9615823252 Tulasi Motors Private Limited Thangmaiban amadi Sangai Pro Kudong Chaba si Mangan Bigano ngasi mag-contact tobirau terms and conditions apply.
Welcome you all to UNACO School Channel Imphal East, an exclusive co-educational residential school located on a sprawling 50 acres campus just 24 km away from Imphal city. The school will be affiliated to CBSE New Delhi. Academic session will begin on 1st April 2023 for classes 4 to 8. Registration commence open for 2023 and 24 session.
Welcome back. You're watching ELITETV English News. The Reserve Bank of India (RBI) has decided to withdraw Rs 2,000 currency notes from circulation. This was informed by RBI on Friday evening. However, the currency notes of 2,000 rupees denomination will continue to be legal tender. Kwatha Village Authority has informed that there is no violence or clashes in Kwatha Village, which is inhabited by the Meitei community in Moray Subdivision, Tingnopal District. In a telephonic conversation with sources on Friday, Kwatha Village Authority General Secretary Takilambam Sanjoy Singh informed that the villagers are staying vigilant and not venturing out of the village area. In addition, leaders of the neighboring Kuki villages, namely Sibong, Kudingthabi, Kananfai, Chalan, Molfai, Big Bongyang and H. Bongyang have also assured safety of Kwatha villagers and urged for working together to avoid any form of violence between the villages. At present, there is no report of any violent incidents, Sanjoy said, while urging all concerned not to be influenced by those trying to sow discord and incite violence among the people. The Centre and Manipur government on Wednesday told the Supreme Court that the genesis of ethnic violence in the state was the crackdown on illegal Myanmar migrants, illicit poppy cultivation and drug business in the hill districts, even though it was triggered by the High Court's direction to the state to respond to the Meitei community's demand for grant of scheduled tribe status. SC asks Manipur government to take steps for peace and tranquility. Siddaramaiah on Saturday took oath as the 24th Chief Minister of Karnataka at the swearing-in ceremony of the new Congress government in the state. The ceremony took place at the Kantirava Stadium here. Governor Thawar Chand Gehlot administered the oath of office to Siddaramaiah. This is Siddaramaiah's second tenure as the Chief Minister. He held the top post previously between 2013 and 2018. AICC President Mallikarjun Kharge, Congress leader Rahul Gandhi, AICC General Secretary Priyanka Gandhi Vadra, Rajasthan Chief Minister Ashok Gehlot, Bihar Chief Minister Nitish Kumar, Tamil Nadu Chief Minister M.K. Stalin, former Jammu and Kashmir Chief Ministers Farooq Abdullah and Mehboobi Mufti, Bihar Deputy Chief Minister Tejaswi Yadav, CPM General Secretary Sitaram Yachuri, CPI General Secretary D. Raja, NCP veteran Sharad Pawar were among the prominent politicians who attended the ceremony. Tamil superstar Kamal Hassan, Kannada superstar Shivaraj Kumar, popular actor Dunya Vijay, actress turned politician Ramya, actress Nishvika Naidu, a senior actress turned politician Umashri and film director producer V. Rajendra Singh Babu attended the event. Siddaramaiah, Shivakumar joined their hands and waved to the crowd when they arrived at the venue. Later, Rahul Gandhi joined them as the crowd cheered. Nearly a lakh of people attended the swearing-in ceremony. Talking to Twitter ahead of the ceremony, Rahul Gandhi said, "Great to be back among the people of Karnataka. Looking forward to the swearing-in ceremony of the new Congress government, which will be a people-centric government focused on bringing progress." PM Narendra Modi held a bilateral meeting with Japan's PM Fumio Kishida in Hiroshima on the sidelines of the G7 summit. The discussion focused on areas of education, skill development, tourism, lifestyle for environment, life, green, hydrogen, high technology, semiconductors and digital public infrastructure, a PMO release said. PM Modi said he had an excellent meeting with Prime Minister Kishida. As PM Narendra Modi unveiled a bust of Mahatma Gandhi in Japan, Congress leader Jairam Ramesh called him a hypocrite and said that the minimum sincerity is the hallmark of the MA in entire political science. Criticizing the inaugural ceremony of the new parliament building on the birth anniversary of V.D. Savarkar, he said Savarkar opposed Gandhi vehemently all his life. For ELITETV News Channel, contact the email address info@elitetv.in or 940-289-0982 and subscribe to ELITETV YouTube channel or follow us on Facebook page, Instagram and Twitter for more information about the channel. And now let's look at the top headlines once again. Mizoram Chief Minister Zoramthanga bats for unification of Zo-inhabited areas. Three Kuki MLAs meet Mizoram CM Zoramthanga. Suspected Kuki militants disconnect water pipelines at Kangchup and Kurkul. RBI withdraws rupees 200,000 notes from circulation, asks all to exchange or deposit them by September 30th. Do not invite 2nd June 18 in Manipur, women protesters. And curfew relaxed in Imphal from 5 a.m. to 4 p.m. That's all we have for now. Thank you for watching ELITETV English News. Stay safe and have a great day.